As continuation of this topic, after Sergey's talk regarding the PortaOne workflows and his illustration regarding the power of low-code workflows, let's hear it directly from our strategic partner, Boomi, who is enabling PortaOne at Mart workflows. So Boomi is a leader in enabling customers to integrate any combination of cloud and on-premises applications with our software appliances or code. So our guest today, David Rogers, he has achieved several company awards in his 4 years with Boomi, including Rookie of the Year in 2019. So we are very pleased that he could join us today. So please welcome to the stage, David Rogers.
All right, so I'll go ahead and jump in. So first, hello, my name is David Rogers, and I'm on Boomi's business development team. I'm based in Austin, Texas. If you have not heard of Boomi yet, we offer an integration platform as a service. And in the case of PortaOne, we simplify the process for PortaOne to connect their software, like PortaBilling, to the multiple software applications of their clients. So Boomi as an organization, we've been around since 2000. And to give you a little history on myself, I was one of the first couple people at Dell tasked with selling Boomi after Dell acquired the company in 2010. And I've personally been in love with the technology ever since. As far as our reputation, if you look at Gartner, if you look at Forrester, we've been at the very top of the list for 8+ years and are actually credited with creating the integration as a service Gartner category. As far as our reputation in the industry, we're super experienced. We have 15,000 plus customers and have performed over 150 million integrations to date. And Boomi's customers range everywhere from PortaOne to Concur, Chrome River, ADP, Planful, Zora, and many, many others. So even if you don't think you're a Boomi customer, there's actually a pretty good chance you might be already using Boomi through one of the software packages that you use. Now the platform. So Boomi, we have a broad and fully capable platform, but I'm actually going to focus on 2 areas where PortaOne specifically uses us. So first, when we talk about Engage, Boomi allows you to develop and orchestrate custom workflows. So we allow you to build a sophisticated front end on top of your integrations through Boomi's point-and-click interface. And this is actually being used by PortaOne in a couple different ways. So first, with a Cloud PBX onboarding wizard. So this is an app that was created in Boomi Flow, and that interacts with PortaBilling, and it collects user information, transforms it in the core Boomi platform, and then it sends it to PortaBilling. The second way PortaOne's using this application is with the Bulk DID management portal. So the portal is to be used by communication services providers to manage phone numbers or DIDs and their assignment to their customers. So next, if we look on the right side where it says integrate, so Boomi enables integrations, and that's really historically been the core of our product. So we can integrate into any source and destination from NetSuite, Salesforce, HubSpot, Epicor, JD Edwards, Dynamics, to any custom written application, either on-premise or in the cloud. And with our integration tools, we literally shrink the time to integrate from months to weeks or from weeks to days, and with minimal, if any, necessary coding. And I'm actually going to share in a little bit more detail in a few slides how PortaOne is using that capability for some of their customers. All right, so again, the Boomi integration application, so we allow you to connect everything. So we have a few hundred what we call branded connectors, and that's to all your big household names. But sometimes the event comes along where we do not have a branded connector, and of course with Boomi it doesn't matter at all. So you or the PortaOne team, you can still point and click to build net new integrations in minutes, and using proprietary technology that we call Boomi Suggest, what we do is we create these integrations, and that's all based on the insights that we've gathered from our hundreds of millions of integrations that we've actually performed to date. All right, next, so I promised you a customer success story with PortaOne. So this shows you a little before and after Boomi was actually implemented. So this was a really interesting project where Boomi played a central role for a South African MVNO, or a mobile virtual network operator. So prior to Boomi, this organization had to go through a very manual and tedious process of re-entering data across multiple applications. So instead of sales reps focusing their efforts on things like sales, they were losing a substantial portion of their day to entering and then re-entering data across multiple internal systems. So after coming to PortaOne, their situation changed. So now with PortaOne, this organization uses Boomi to do the entire provisioning value chain between Porta Billing and the core mobile network, NTN in South Africa. So this means now they're activating and deactivating SIM cards or performing number swaps, onboarding subscribers, and performing temporary service blocks. And that's all done in one place with no manual reentry of data. So really, this has been a very huge time and cost savings after the implementation of Boomi PortaOne. All right, so last next steps. If you currently find yourself in a situation where you're having to re-enter information across multiple applications, if you're looking for your first integration or maybe more integrations with PortaOne, all you have to do is just contact your PortaOne sales team, and they can actually help you get started with PortaOne and Boomi. Additionally, if you're looking to perform integrations that have absolutely nothing to do with PortaOne, you can also contact me, and we've set up a special arrangement with PortaOne that'll give you preferential pricing. So whenever you contact me, please be sure and mention that you learned about this through our presentation today. So again, that's all I have, and thank you all very much for your time. I really appreciate it.